Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the female reproductive system. Before I go into the details, in this video I will talk about the ovary and the fallopian tube, while the rest of the parts I'll talk in my next video. So stick till the end, watch my video and like and subscribe if you've liked it. The ovaries are the main female reproductive part. They are a pair. So there are two ovaries in number. Each ovary is almond-shaped, solid, grayish-pink and 2 to 4 cm in length. The ovaries are the main organ in the female reproductive system where they produce the ovum and they also produce several other hormones that regulates the female body and the female reproductive system. The main hormones that the ovary releases are the estrogen and the progesterone, and these two hormones regulates the overall functions. So let's talk about the ovarian structure. The ovarian structure mainly consists of the ovarian epithelium, tunica albuginea, and the ovarian stroma and cortex. So each one of them has their functions and we will understand what they do. The ovarian epithelium is the outermost layer and mainly consists of cuboidal epithelium cells. So the ovarian epithelium mainly protects and covers the ovary as a whole. Next is tunica albuginea. It is the middle layer and has especially dense fibrous connective tissues. Now let's talk about the ovarian cortex. The ovarian cortex is the outer part of the main ovary and has several young and mature follicles. It also has several other cells which secretes several hormones. So let's look into it. It also releases the hormone relaxin during the end of the pregnancy to release the muscle tension. In the later stages, when the corpus luteum degenerates, it also contains the corpus albicans or the white mass of cells. So the ovarian medulla is the innermost part of the ovary. This contains several follicles in their developing stages. This part also releases the hormone estrogen, and this is very important. So for a quick recap, the epithelium is the outermost part. Then we have the tunica albuginea, which is the middle connective tissue. Then we have the ovarian cortex and the ovarian medulla. The ovarian cortex is the outermost part of the main ovary and it secretes progesterone. The ovarian medulla is the innermost part of the ovary and it secretes estrogen. Both of them has certain follicles in various stages of their development. Coming to the second part, let's talk about the fallopian tubes. The fallopian tubes are like a pipeline which carries the maturing ovum to the uterus. So it has 4 parts. Let's understand them and let's see what they do. The first part of the oviduct is the infundibulum. The infundibulum is the closest proximal part to the ovary and is funnel shaped. It has several finger-like projections called fimbriae and it helps to direct the ovum into the oviduct. So basically it collects the ovum from the ovaries and they transfer it to the uterus. Next we have the ampulla, which is the wide long portion next to the infundibulum. The isthmus is a short long portion which mainly connects the thing to the uterus. Lastly we have the uterine part which enters the uterus and finally brings the ovum to the uterus. So we have to keep in mind that the fertilization takes place in the upper portions of the fallopian tube. So when the ovum is in the upper part of the fallopian tube, the sperm travels up to that place where it fertilizes. So it can be a region between the ampulla and the isthmus. Mainly the ampulla is taken as the position where the fertilization takes place. These are the first 2 parts of the female reproductive system, the ovary and the oviducts. Following this, we have the uterus, the vagina, vulva and the accessory glands, which we will talk in the next video. So till then, stay focused and wait for my next video to come. Till then, bye.